Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're just going to dive right into it, and this is going to be the best practice for the next 5. So alright, what we're doing here, if you've not seen the other two, our criteria is if it's within 2, go to the next 5. So if it's 99 or 98, round up to 100. If it's 93 or 94, round up to 95, and so on. And we also learned that our remainders in those situations are 4 and 3 all the time. So last video we had the condition of if it was a remainder of 4, add 1. If it was a remainder of 3, add 2. Well, let's see if we can get this to go down to even a little smoother. So let's see what we can do about this. Let's see if we can get this down. So I'm going to comment this out, and we are going to see if we can get this a little bit neater. Now, let's just think about this for a second. 3 or 4. 3 or 4. So, if x modulo 5 equals 3 or 4. Let's get another space. Yeah. Excuse me. So, okay, here's our condition, right? If it's 3 or 4. Now, I gave you guys a hint last time. What do both these equal? 5, right? So we could actually, instead of us having to sit here and do the math here, we're learning to write programs. Let's write a program to even test this and do the math for us. So let's think about it for a second. So if this is equal to this, add this. And what's our goal? 5. So we're going to say if it's within 5, subtract whatever the remainder is, then add the difference. Okay? Think about that. Rewind it if you don't get it. So let's just do this. Alright, let's think about it. We're going to take our 5, whatever this is, and this is equal to this. Our remainder, so we're going to take 5, subtract our remainder, and then add that to our original number. Alright, here we go. Boom. Because this both equal 5. And that's what that is. So now we have this all down on one line. Print x. Let's see if I made any mistakes anywhere. So last time we had 99 rounds up by 1, goes up by 2, stays the same, goes up by 1. So let's run this again and see if we have it. And I missed one criteria. So, okay. And I did not add enough right here. So, or, boom, there we go. So, this or this, not 3 or 4, but this has to be true or this true. So now let's run it. So there we go. 100, 100, 91, and 85. And we allow Python to do all the work for us because all we're doing is working with 5s. And these are our 2 conditions. So we're able to get this down and boil it out. So there you go. So don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because we have videos coming out every day. So please leave any comments, questions, or my favorite video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys are getting something out of this, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.